mental pass. So you're all good. Okay, go ahead.
I'm not doing it all the time as well. It's just the same nerve.
You seen what happened to me. The reason I had my big accidents was because I had stopped because I was waiting on my batteries to come.
Yeah.
So I only ran twice in 2 months, and that's the consequences of going out.
You're trying to speed up, and you're trying
Yeah.
to remember not to.
Yeah. What did you get there anyway?
72.
Yeah.
Yeah, start.
So this is Keith's first time out, attempting a speed run.
Attempt is a good word.
Attempting. Hopefully it all goes well, Keith. So obviously Phil doesn't get too much run time, but it just proves how hard it is to keep a car going straight at these sort of speeds. That's not even that. If you're out running continuously, you'd be able to run it down this road no problem. As you've seen from my recent outings, that you're all clear. That whenever I was only out twice in 2 months, I crashed because my reactions weren't there. No. All clear.
BT probably. 81.
Stop. Tire? Was it tire? Potentially from hitting the cat size.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got absolutely peppered there. Whenever you see that, I see that, Phil. I'm a bit nervous. Right, check her out there, Phil. What was the PB, Phil?
231.
There you go. 10 to the 2.
51.
Okay, so this'll be interesting this time. I'm trying not to swear here, like, but I got peppered.
213.
That's a PB straight away. 71. It's going to be interesting. I'm not as keen to stand behind it this time because I think you'll get clariting that stuff. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
See, that's what happens.
Hopefully it's not too bad. She took a big hit in the front. Yeah, I think the splitters took the hit for you, like. So you should be alright.
Some of the weights have lost. Oh, them have lost some of the weights.
Be able to find out.
Slow 236.
But I think it's cleared
I
off.
did stop accelerating as soon as it went off. I left.
Clearly see here you stopped accelerating
Yeah.
before the end of the run. No. Go straight.
Two, 1.
Let's go 213 is brilliant, like. Out of it straight. Stop. On the money, Phil. On the money. On the money.
That's 6S.
And
That's
that-
just full whack straight away.
And that's literally just adjusting that shock at the front to stop it pulling to the left.
Just whatever way it's pulling, you take another shot.
Right, okay. She did smoke the tires a bit, like, so he's not.
Oh, nice.
That's the best one, yeah.
Oh, that is,
there
yeah.
you go. There you
Right,
go.
look
That's
at
the
this.
best one, yeah. Okay. I'm ready, yeah. Yeah.
What were we getting on mine? About 2.8, wasn't it?
What are you on GRPs? Yeah.
What happened there?
Hang on, it's just maybe has it found it, bring it closer. There, it's found it now.
That's it now. 2.85.
2.85, yeah.
That's about the same as
What you were getting for the GRPs? I think that's better.
2.78.
7.8. Right, go ahead.
Right.
Yep. No. I absolutely peppered there.
Back up.
Again.
Got a bit better that time, was it?
7.2.
7.2. Oops.
Go! Look at this, look at this! That was good, do that again. I enjoyed that. 3, 2, 1, go! Beautiful, the sparks out of that infraction. Ah!